Hello everyone, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kamakhya. For today's guidance, the reading is starting off with the Hangman, which shows that you could be currently stuck in a situation either in the form of relationship or in career path where you're not feeling completely satisfied. You're not feeling as if your efforts are being rewarded. But this is not a moment of stagnation, it's a moment of pause. It's time that you realign with your inner self, with your true self, and that's how you're going to manifest everything that you're wanting. Even though in the state of stagnation and pause, you have complete faith in the universe. You are taking you're taking a leap of faith, knowing that universe has your back and you have complete trust in the universe. It's a very positive card. You could be getting help from your spiritual masters, teachers, guides. If you don't have any, you are being asked to reconnect with your inner self, with your soul, because your inner compass is going to guide you towards the right direction, and it will help you understand your true power. If you want something to happen in the outer world, it can only happen when it is happening in the fifth dimension world. If you want something to happen in the 3D world, it has to first happen in your 5D world, and that's what you're learning to do. You're becoming a very strong manifester, and as soon as you connect with your inner self, the flow of ideas, opportunities, plans are going to rush towards you very soon. Yes, you're going to have a chain reaction of ideas, opportunities, new plans for the futures, and you're going to be very happy about it. What's coming next is a very fast moving energy of celebrations, joy, happiness, velocity, wish fulfillment, victory. Everything is coming to you. Look at both these cards. It is both are showing the same thing, that everything that you're wanting and everything that you're trying to manifest is coming to you very soon. And the reading is closing off with the 9 of Cups and 9 of Pentacles. These two cards shows wish fulfillment in every aspect of your life, be it emotional, be it financial. So you'll be very happy, prosperous, abundant, wealthy, financially stable, emotionally stable. You're going to experience emotional fulfillment, financial fulfillment. All of this is coming to you because you chose to align with yourself, with your inner self, and you became so powerful that everything you thought you manifested with the blink of an eye, and everything is coming to you very fast. It's a very fast moving energy of wish fulfillment in every aspect of your life. So friends, if you want something to happen in the outer world, it can only happen when you have manifested and experienced it in the inner world. And as you go on to do so, things are moving very fast towards you, and you are experiencing the wish fulfillment in every aspect, be it relationships, be it finances, be it any dream. Okay, thank you so